Hey guys, welcome back to Delft, and today I will be showing you how to unfollow multiple people on Instagram. So guys, sadly, as of today, there is no direct feature in order for you to unfollow multiple people on Instagram. So guys, you have to do this manually. So guys, I will show you some tricks. So first, just simply open up the Instagram application into your device. Now guys, over here, you can just simply go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, once you are here guys, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the following tab on the top right corner of the screen. Now you should be able to see here multiple people that you are currently following. Now, in order for you to unfollow, you should be able to see here the three dots on the side of each account that you followed, and you will have an option over here, unfollow. So go ahead and tap on unfollow, and from here you can just simply repeatedly do this manually. And sadly, as of today, Instagram doesn't have a feature where it lets you unfollow everything at once. So you have to do this all manually. And you could also go ahead and tap on the arrow pointing up and down on the right side of the screen over here. And guys, you could filter your following list by the latest followed or the earliest people who followed you. So pretty much this will be depending on your personal preferences. So over here, you should be able to filter it out, and you could do them manually by tapping on the three dots on the side and select unfollow. So pretty much I hope this video helps you understand more about Instagram features and capabilities. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.